Hi everyone, I'm Chef Ann, and today we're going to make classic roasted chickens using the JennAir V2 Convection built-in wall oven with the Culinary Center. What I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to put thyme and lemon under the breast side. Next, we are going to generously salt the chicken, and then I'll grab some peppers. Now, I'm going to flip it over because the dark meat takes longer to cook than the breast meat. What happens is the dark meat juices will flow down into the breast meat, keeping it really moist, and that's what we want. So now I'm going to put more salt and pepper. Because I'm using the Culinary Center, I have a probe that comes with the JennAir wall oven. And what I'm going to do is I am going to put the probe into the thigh because the thigh takes longer to cook. So let's put that in. And when you insert it, you want to make sure that you're not hitting a bone, that it's just in the meat itself. Otherwise, it's going to read wrong. So as you can see on the screen, the Culinary Center in the bottom right-hand corner. So I'm going to press that. Then there's a variety of foods that are programmed into the oven, but we want to go with poultry. And then you can either do turkey, duck, and we're going to do the chicken roaster. You're going to press next. Then it's going to show me the chicken, but what doneness do I want? And that simply means the outside. I'm going to press next. I am using a form of a broiling pan. I'm going to press next. This is everything that's going to give you all the information, so it's like having a sous chef in your oven. So it's going to tell me we want it dark. The target rate for the temperature is going to be 170. Then it's going to tell me cooking tips. Now I have placed the roasting chickens on the second rack, and now that I've done all that, all I have to do is press start. Now you're going to see the flames are going to start. The chicken roaster temperature right now, we want it to get up to 375. The dinger will go off and let me know that the chicken is ready to be served. So as you can see, the oven has notified me that my chickens are ready. So let's take a look. What's really important here is I am going to turn this off right now. You have to turn it off, and you need to remove those chickens. You can't let them sit in here. Ooh, that looks fabulous.